You're watching the firearmschannel.com.
I'm Andreas Weber, the CEO of the Korth company from Germany. We present this year on the Industry Day our latest model SKY MARSHAL, a revolver in 9mm Parabellum with his own speed loader. We have an ejection system without moon clips. We have on this revolver a small Picatinny rail. We have an option to use a laser unit on this revolver. This revolver have an adjustable rear sight and only a weight of 560 grams. It shoots 9mm, very precise. On 15 meter we have an accuracy on 31 millimeter with 9 para and with the speed loader.
You're watching the firearmschannel.com.